water, coffee. Sharon's on this. Aria's mom bailed last minute. I know, I was very comfortable. Okay. But we're doing it that way because like there's some people who are not running the whole 21, they're running 10. And so that way, yeah. And so that way, like, you know, you can kind of have that option. And
so what are we doing, 21?
21.1, yeah.
I mean, we also discussed like the pace a bit. I know some people wanted like certain pace, so I think the easiest way to do it is like ultimately let's start all as a group. Let's start around 6:15. We get warmed up. We get to about 6, and I know like there are a few people that want to make it under 6. So like I can help pace those that want to make it under 6. But that can kick in on the second part. So if we stick to about 6:15, if you're comfortable, if you fall back a little bit, that's fine. So let's do at least 2 loops at 6:15-ish or 6:30. And then for people who want to finish at like their goal is to finish a certain time, then we can start pacing that group separately, and then whoever is like pacing the other group can just stay with that group. Yeah. Like easiest if you have like dedicated pacers who know what time they're hitting. That way it's like more organized, and people who need to hit under 6 will actually hit under 6.
Under
like
6
that.
is what, 2 hours?
Yeah, 2:06. 2:06. But
Okay, people, and so we are just waiting for all the team to gather up so we can start with the run.
Sure.
Bro, I was at that point for long. Where the fuck is this guy at?
we got everyone back here. Shit, this is a big crew. Holy. I love this. Alright, let's do this.
Why don't we start from doing all the jumpers at? 3, 4, 5. Downs. Continue. Yeah, I know. Carlos knows it better than me, but I'll go by what?
Train harder! You're
Let's
a legend.
do this.
Set yourself.
Woo! Yeah. Yo, we got the whole lecture for ourselves, bro.
I love when people come together like this.
Yeah, we're doing our own marathon now.
And then like, they even closed the fucking room for us.
Oh yeah, VIP shit.
Alright.
Let's stick to the right side, right? So let's the right side, left side. One, go.
Just gently point. If there's people like on the side, just point like this and then blow. Don't just blow your nose.
Try to
Just
stick
getting
to the
started
right
right
side
now.
so we're not just taking the full way.
Let's do this. Got the crew out. This is the biggest crew so far. This is a special day. Let's go.
Okay, people, and so the team is already in the marathon, and we are just like gonna try to hunt them with the car and like get some nice footage of them. So stick tuned.
I guess it's a good time to do interviews. Hey, how are you? How are you doing?
We're good, baby.
What's happening this morning?
Beautiful day out there. We're all crushing goals today. So
How are we going? We're going harder.
we're going harder, baby. We're running harder, training harder.
Any comments from you, Frankie?
Let's go, boys and girls. Let's get it.
Hey, Mr. Ian. How
No
you doing?
photos.
No
No
photos.
photos.
No photos. Got it. I no longer see anything on this camera. Mr. Carlos? Did you break it? I don't know.
One third of the way down.
That's it.
2 more to go. Gotta put one foot in front of the other. Let's go.
Making gels and shit.
We're about to get the gels, 10K in, get some little bit of energy.
It's a very special edition. I'm going to talk about heat. I'm going to talk about gel. I'm going to talk about breathing. But most importantly, we're going to talk about having fun. Because that's what shit is about.
Let's go. This guy's gunning it. Unbelievable. We're at 10 now. Got my shot and getting it on little by little. Got Amy in the mix. We're halfway there. Feeling good. Body aching a little bit, but I think we're gonna be able to get some energy through this.
And Milnick is back.
Changed into shorts. Don't put the camera on me when I get naked.
You seriously gonna pause to change?
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. Continue though.
Actually, I need OnlyFans content. Can you follow me?
How's it going for you? How's it going?
Good, bro.
Yeah?
On last stretch there, like 4 more maybe.
Yeah. Where'd you turn around? Did you turn out the brick?
Oh no, we went all the way.
All the way, 10?
All the way like past so shit, that's good. Amazing, amazing. Let's go. Almost there, baby. Ah. Oh my God! Let's go! From 1 to 10, how you feel? Feel fucking great. Okay, that's like 10.
Yo, where's Emma? They're gone. Yeah, they're gone.
Gone where? I mean, probably didn't go far enough. So I didn't stop at.
Okay, so far 2 people, potentially a 3rd person has got here, and now we're waiting for the rest of the crew. Yeah!
Let's go, almost there.
Yeah, like at this point, we don't know where is the finish line here. Like,
half of the runners.
yeah, it's like.
Don't stop. Let's go. Don't stop.
Right there.
And over there, okay. Okay, so people is over there. Okay, these 2 guys.
Let's go. Don't stop. Let's go. Move your feet. Last 100. Last 100. Come on. This is it. This is it. Baby. Now is the show. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Get it. Yeah, you're almost there. Almost there. We'll see you here. That's how we do it, baby. Start with 1, and then you get 2, and you get 21. You get the whole crew doing 21. Amazing. That's the Carlito effect. It's truly the Carlito effect.
Carlito, boy.
Woo! Bro, fuck yeah, let's go. Let's go. Crush it or what?
Work harder mentality.
Hell yeah.
You do the half?
Half there.
Shit, that was good, man.
Mister.
Amazing.
That was
Amazing.
Amazing,
Guys
man.
running backwards and shit. Guys running backwards, filming people on the 21K. Like what? As a result, I did 22.1.
Oh man,
Congrats, bro.
let's
How
go.
you feeling, man?
That was incredible. I'm feeling sore, but accomplished nonetheless, man. That was. I never thought I could do that. It's crazy.
So what's the next choice? A full marathon?
Full marathon's gonna be the next 2021. That full marathon is gonna be that goal. Let's do this, man. Amazing, amazing, amazing.
Hey people,
Thank you so much, man. Thank you. Let's go. Yes, fucking killed it. Everyone.
killed it, eh?
Mama's like, you dad.
Thank you so much. Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
Oh, what did you finish? Oh! Let's read this, Jaco. I said,
Hey!
oh. I went to get them. Nice. That's what I'm getting.
What a day! Half marathon, baby. October 31st, 2020.
And the real MVPs. Let's go. I love it. I love it. 21.1, baby.
that's how we do it. These guys caught all the action. I love it.